hope you all are doing very well, and happy Navratri to all of you. And so today we will talk about some important, no, very important, too much important content for SDE job, software development engineers. Okay, and also data science, data analytics, and Python developer, also uh, machine learning engineers. Okay, so which syllabus I'm going to elaborate, which content I'm going to elaborate, that is also useful, very useful for machine learning engineering. Okay, machine learning engineering. So these are jobs, highly demandable job in upcoming 2024. Okay, so now if I talk about what first, so first is operating systems, operating systems, Windows and Linux. What is that? Windows and Linux. Second, information systems and database management like SQL and big data. Third, software engineering. Fourth, advanced computer architecture. And what about fifth? Fifth is discrete mathematics and design analysis of algorithm. Okay, fifth is discrete mathematics and design analysis of algorithm. These all content is very useful. Okay, so if you please, I'll suggest that please note down, this all content. Okay, now come to the sixth point. So six is, what is it? Computer graphics. Okay, computer graphics. Now come to the seven, expert systems. Come to the eight, computer networks. 9, data structure. 10, intro to programming language like Python. And engineering mathematics like linear algebra and statistics. Okay, now come to the 11th is, what is? Artificial and machine learning, AI, ML. What about 12? 12 is compiler design, compiler design. Okay, now come to 13, theory of automata, 14, what is 14? Parallel computing. Okay, so if you learn and practice these all topics, you can get easily job in SDE, software development engineering, and data science and machine learning. Why I say in my every video, practice, keep practicing as much as you can. So these are very important content for upcoming highly demandable job 2024. And if you guys want this content on written, then you can message me my individual WhatsApp windows. Okay, my contact number already I provided on my links. Okay, so I thank you so much, thank you very much. Please keep practicing. Practice is much more important than all other things. Nothing can beat, and nothing can beat education से कोई भी जीत नहीं सकता. एक education से आप whatever you want in your life, you can get very easily. Okay, so keep practicing as much as you can. Okay, bye bye, take care, and This is a very very important topic which I describe in today on my video, so please note down. And if you really want this content in written, you can WhatsApp me.